Come on, check, check, Eddie.
Check, mic check.
Hey, this is Ralph, and today,
Hi, Ralph.
Today is my very first bio. I am so excited. Like, I'm so happy to be here. It's a dream come true. I've been watching bio since 2022, and I've been such a fan from then. So I took the chance this year and did the audition, and I'm here today, and I'm so excited to dance with you guys. And yeah, share the stage. I don't know what the fuck.
Hey, don't play. It's J-Way.
Hey, Jay.
Go home.
Hey, Jay. She came in with a phrase.
I'm a big Haitian. I'm Panamanian. I'm from Brooklyn, Little Haiti. Don't play with us. Ra-ta-ta-ta. I'm so excited to be dancing on the Bayo stage again. I was here last year, and I was here at the very first one in, was it New York? It was the very first one in Summer Stage, something like that. We was outside in the park, though. And yeah, I feel good. Hi, Michael.
Oh, pardon.
All right. Hi, testing. Yes. 1, 2, 3, it's Amelia. A million degrees. It's hot in here. It's always hot when I'm around. Listen, this is my third bio. Is it my third?
No.
Second? Yeah, this is my third. Yeah, this is my third season of bio. This is probably like my 8th show at this point. But I love bio. We're a family. I love being reunited with my people. We're a vibe. We bring the heat. It's going to be crazy. Mikael goes off every year. Tanny's a vibe. Like, our team is phenomenal, so I'm so excited to be back. Amen. Bio 2026. Bio. Yay.
Yeah. It's your boy, Scooby Dooby 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 Doo. You know what to do. You say nah, it's your boy Scooby, you feel me? It's my third season back to back to back, you feel me?
Three. It's New York.
They only had like
Type shit. But you know, I'm excited to be on the stage. We're gonna kill it this year. It's gonna be fire. First time in Boston. Everybody, you know, my little body gonna bring all the energy.
Yeah, every
little
time.
body.
And I'm gonna do my famous head flip. Bam!
Yeah.
I want my top board. Them no know. Yeah.
This is Bio Team 2020.
Bayo.
And that was a rap.
Yeah.
You're gonna watch this back and wait, hold on.
Gang. Wait, take 5. Go.
Jump sit.
Wait, you gotta do your part. Wait, take 5. Clap. Clap.
Hi, this is Lakeisha St. Joy coming to you live from Agganis Arena in Boston, Massachusetts.
Dance captain.
Dance captain, bio dance captain. You heard it here first. Bam.
You're supposed to tell us about your experience.
My experience. Currently, I'm feeling excited. My mission and goal for tonight is to be great and have fun. And really have fun. Tonight is about community. It's about love. It's about fellowship. It's about one nation, one people under God. And we're here to turn up, okay? And tomorrow we win at soccer, football. And that's it. That's all. That's it. Thank you.